Hey guys, welcome back to our Texas Homestead for the final installment of the 4 Patriots meals. We're going to do oatmeal and pancakes. So for the oatmeal, it says open pouch, remove oxygen absorber, whisk contents of entire pouch into 8 cups of boiling water. Cook 2 to 3 minutes, stir occasionally, remove from heat, and let stand for 3 minutes before serving. So, she's got the water on for that, and she's going to get started on that. And then you have the pancakes. And this is 8 servings per container. Don't know how big 8 servings is. Hopefully it's not the little dollar pancakes. So, open pouch, remove oxygen absorber, preheat oiled skillet to 375. Using chart, add pancake mix to cold water. Batter will be slightly lumpy. Do not over-mix. How do you over-mix pancake mix? Add water to reach the desired consistency. Cook pancakes 1 to 1.5 minutes per side until golden brown. Turn only once. So, we'll get this mixed up and then we'll bring you in when we start making them. See you back in a minute. Okay. Got the batter mixed up. I didn't kind of listen to them on the it's going to be lumpy because I don't really want lumpy pancakes. But let's see how it does. We'll stop it for her. At least there's more mix. And they won't be all dollar-sized pancakes. So, how big, thick do y'all like your pancakes? I usually like them, you know, this big, but small cooking area. Good way to know when your pancakes are ready to flip. It looks kind of dry on the outside and you kind of lose your bubbles. So your bubbles are thicker. Still waiting on water to boil for the oatmeal. They said everybody said I've ever heard of or talked to about the oatmeal said it's really good. So kind of curious on it, and I'm not an oatmeal fan. So
it smells good.
Yeah, it smells fabulous. It's probably one of the best out of all of them. It smelled the best. I mean, of course, it's like super sweet cinnamon. So, but yeah, I'm kind of curious on that. Patty will be the one that really can tell you how if it's good oatmeal or not. Not me. As I said, I'm not an oatmeal person. I'm more of a cold cereal person instead of hot cereal kind of thing. So. Need some eggs and bacon and some sausage and.
You don't have any sausage slide?
No, we're good.
Huh?
We're good. It'll be fine. It's not my bacon anyways. It's that store-bought stuff. All because y'all bought it for BLTs even though I'd already had mine thought up. I got that new bacon I made, but it was really good. I'm not sure which bacon I like the best out of all of them. So you can see how this one's pretty much dried out. All your bubbles are like holes instead. This one's still a little wet. This was a little wet. This was a little wet when I turned it, but it's fine. Guess we could have made some other pancakes and compared.
Whataburger pancakes.
Yeah, the Whataburger pancakes are pretty good. and the Whataburger sausage. I'd like to know what all they put in their sausage. Try to mimic it.
It says on the package, you just have to figure out how much.
Exactly, yeah. That's always the hard part.
Maple syrup for your pancakes.
Yeah, like real syrup. See if we can not play connect the dots here. Come out pretty good. So get the rest of these made up and we'll bring you back for a taste test.
So the water's come to a boil for the oatmeal. Haven't found the oxygen absorber, so I'm just going to pour it in slowly. There it is. And then we're going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. And then remove it from the heat and let it stand for another 2 to 3 minutes. So I'll bring you back when it's all done.
Okay, back with the pancakes. See, we actually made 18 out of that. I mean, say they're not huge, but they're not small either. I do have a question for all of y'all out there. Maple syrup. This one said that's grade A, dark color, robust taste. Then right above it, it says formerly grade B. Anybody understand that? Because we actually pulled this out of our pantry and noticed it actually had a little mold film at the top of it. So then we got to look at it and said, you know, you can store them in the refrigerator, but I usually don't store syrups in the refrigerator. But what does it mean, formerly grade B? How do you change it to go from grade B to grade A? So seems pretty good to me. Sorry, I didn't cut it small enough for you. Tastes like pancake.
It's light and fluffy like regular pancake mixes, and
yeah. And even make sure I got a piece that didn't have syrup on it, but yeah, it's nice, soft, fluffy.
Yeah. Although I guess it's not any different than just storing pancake mix.
Yeah, it's basically storing pancake mix, but you don't know if it's like Aunt Jemima or whatever it is now. Yeah.
Company.
Yeah, sure. If it ain't Aunt Jemima, yeah. But I mean, still, actually has really good flavor. So we'll see you back here in a little bit for the oatmeal, and we'll see how it comes out. All right, back with the oatmeal. You can see it's a little more runny, I guess, than normal. So we're actually getting a slotted spoon to get it out. I'm going to try it that way. Yeah, spoon. Looks very hot. Go ahead. Hey, you're the expert on oatmeal, not me.
It's really hot.
It's still not going to be like that chili hot, though.
Quaker Oats is better.
Quaker Oats is better?
Well, I mean, you could always, like, if you had dried fruit or something, add to it. But, you know, I'm used to, like, cinnamon and maple oatmeal, and I think this is just kind of plain.
Well, I can taste the cinnamon in it, but it's hot, so it's hard to get all the flavor.
True. I mean, the texture and stuff's just like regular oatmeal.
Okay. I wouldn't know, sorry. But yeah, I mean, I can taste the cinnamon and everything in it. But it's not as strong as it smells. It smells like it's going to be super tons of cinnamon in it. You know, you would almost, when you pour it out, you're expecting to see cinnamon sticks. That's how much it smells like cinnamon. We use exactly 8 cups of water, so it didn't over add water to it. So
just store some other stuff so you can add into it, and it's good.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not bad. So,
yep.
Hope you enjoyed the reviews. This is the end of the 4 Patriots one. I think the next one we're going to do, out of some of the ones I found, it's going to be the Augustin Farms. I've seen a lot of their stuff. And as you can see, this one's got 106 servings in it. It sounds like a lot, but when you actually get into it, it's not a ton. And their lids are, be sure you have a very sharp knife, because to get into this container is like an act of Congress. You can say it's full, but it's not. The 4 Patriot stuff has a lot more stuff in it. It seems, because their boxes are bigger, but the price is also a lot more for the 4 Patriot stuff. So we'll check it out, and so the next set's going to be this, and then we have some ReadyWise stuff. We have some rationing bars, and we've also got a couple more of these that are coming in too, that of different companies. Just to get an idea, give y'all an idea. Is it worth buying? We don't know yet, but we see a lot of people looking at them and figured we would give y'all a more in-depth look of what you get. So we'll see you back next time on Our Texas Homestead. Hope you enjoyed the video series, and we'll see you again here soon for the next ones. Thanks.
So I went ahead and added some cinnamon, sugar, and maple syrup to it, and it tastes a lot better. It tastes like the packages you get from Quaker and stuff. And my youngest just tried it and said it was good, so, and he likes his oatmeal. So we'll see you later.